Hi everyone. Today I want to introduce you to GraphQL. If you ever work with apps or websites that uses APIs, you probably know about REST. The problem with REST is that sometimes you get way more data than you need or not enough, and you have to make multiple requests. GraphQL was designed to fix those issues. Um, and here I'm on their website, and I'm going to introduce you a little bit about the information I learned here about GraphQL. So as you can see, this graphic explains it well. On the left, you see all kinds of clients, phone, computers, TV, I think, and each one may need different data. In the middle, you see a GraphQL query. This one is asking for population, temperature, and precipitation, and some more. It changes. And on the right, GraphQL connects to multiple data sources, maybe one database for population, another for weather. Instead of the client having to call each one separately, GraphQL pulls everything together and sends back exactly what was asked for. That's the client decides what data it needs. GraphQL acts like a smart middle layer between your apps and your data. So why does GraphQL matters? It really matters because it solves two big problems. Number one is overfetching. So REST often gives you too much data. So imagine that as a user, you want to get someone's name, and then REST gives you their address, their birthday, and phone number too. The number two is underfetching. So sometimes REST doesn't give you enough, and then you have to make multiple calls to get everything. So with GraphQL, you send one query, get exactly what you ask for, and nothing more. And that is why companies like GitHub, Shopify, and Netflix use it. Okay, so now let's see GraphQL in action. So let's run a real query against a demo Star Wars API. So let's do this. All films, film, title, director. Oops. Okay. Here, and let's run this. Here I asked for all the films and specifically the title, the director, and the release date. Notice how the response matches the structure of my query. I didn't get every piece of information about the film, just the exact three fields I asked for. That's the power of GraphQL, precision and efficiency. So let's wrap everything up. So GraphQL is a modern query language for APIs. It solves the problems of REST by letting clients ask for exactly the data they need in a single request. It's flexible, it's efficient, and widely adopted in the industry. If you're curious to try it out, I will recommend you to go to graphql.org and and here they have like many tutorials and interactive tools like the one I just showed. And so, yeah, thank you so much for listening. I hope this gives you a clear picture of what GraphQL is and why it matters. And who knows, maybe you'll use it for your project. Good luck.